Good morning. This is Professor Robert Nading. I'm back with another Math 168 video. And in this one, we're working with Desmos once again. This time, we're going to make some folders and do some sharing. Now, the places you might have to do that, for instance, for me, is maybe on exam number 1 or any other examination where you have an incorporated part of Desmos in which you need to create some questions inside Desmos and do some according materials. And then it also talks about linking a file. So I'm going to talk to you about how to build the folders and how to link that file. So inside of Desmos, the first thing you want to make sure that you have done is that you've logged in as yourself. You can create a free account. You can use your Google, Google being the easiest way, or just simply create a free account, but make sure you're logged into your account in the top right-hand corner. Secondly, make sure you share a titled graph. So in here, we need to title this. Just simply click on the titling. I recommend probably your name is a great thing to put on here. And let's call it maybe like test number 1. Call it whatever it is, but let's actually call it something. Any graph that you have titled that you want to get back to, you simply click on the 3 menu item here. It says open graph, or the shortcut is Control O for open. And you'll see all of your untitled graphs or title graphs that are over here on the left-hand side through history that you've made. To make these go away, just simply click on the 3 lines again and they go away. To add anything you want to the left-hand side of the graph, you just simply either use the plus or one of the shortcut commands for that. So if I want to enter an expression, I would use an expression. But one of the things that's very powerful inside of here is to enter a folder. So let's say inside this folder, this is question number 1. Because inside question number 1, I have multiple different things. If I just simply hit enter, I can now enter, for instance, an equation. I can enter any given point. Or I can also at the same time enter any note that I need to add, or I can put a table in if I need to add. I put a note in here. This is, let me see attached. Anything I write here now is inside of folder number 1, and I can close that folder number 1. I can turn off everything inside that folder number 1. If I want to make a folder question number 2, I simply go to a second line. I go to plus, I go to folder, and now I'm on to question number 2. Very nice way to organize my work. And again, just hit enter, and now I'm into everything in question 2. If I want to turn off question 1 because I don't want to see it, I don't delete it. I just simply hide it. And now I'm on to question 2. Remember, you can get any data that you need to pull in from your stat key or from any other data source. So for instance, if I need to pull in some data from stat key, I can go into the data set area and I can pull in any data that's accompanying that in a CSV, and then I can open that up in a CSV. In my video for how to create lists and get started with Desmos, I walk through how to download these, how to open these, and how to paste these in. So take a look at that video if you want to extend that knowledge. Now, getting this graph to my instructor, that's even easier than anything we've done so far. Top right-hand corner, there's a share button right here. It says share graph. I click that share graph. It automatically designates for me a link. I copy that link, and I go back and I include that link wherever my professor has told me to include that link. Once that link is sent to me or another professor, we'll be able to open it. We'll be able to look at everything in the graph. We'll be able to comment and send it back to you. So in my case, in my examination, it talks about how at the very, very bottom of your test that you will want to paste a link in here into your actual assignment. Have a great day. Hope this helps you.